Babe? Baby, are you awake? Hi. No, you didn't wake me. I've been awake for a while now. I tried to go back to sleep, but no luck. Wait, just let me get my phone. What time is it? Oh, geez, it's only 4 in the morning. Everything okay? I mean, besides not being able to go back to sleep? Honey, you were basically flailing under the sheets there. Maybe I should just wrap my arms around you. Just like this. Would that help? So you'll stop moving around so much, silly. And maybe I should bring my leg up over yours. How's that? Oh, I know you like it. Or maybe, should I roll over on top of you? I like laying on your chest like this. And I could stay here looking at your ridiculously cute face. And smell you. You know, I really love the way you smell. What do you smell like? Well, you don't smell like anything in particular. You kinda just smell nice, and clean and fresh. Yeah, it's probably just the detergent and fabric softener. I don't know how else to describe it, just, you know, it's a comforting smell. Like, it reminds me that I'm home, and you're with me. Oh yeah. And most of all, I can do that easily when I'm perched up here on your chest. And good morning to you too. Are you really alright? Yeah? No, I'm just making sure everything's okay. That you're okay. I know you've had a pretty busy week, and you've been working late a lot. Yeah, that's why there's been an increased amounts of shoulder and back rubs lately. You're very welcome, love. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm more than fine. I'm here, you're here, we're in bed together. Well, maybe we could use a few more hours of sleep, but here we are. I don't know about you, but this early morning cuddle sesh is really making up for the lack of sleep. Don't you think? See? We're the perfect cuddle buddies. Babe, can I ask you a teeny tiny little favor? Can you be the big spoon? It's getting super chilly up here. Yay! Oh, yes, baby. That's the spot. Thank you. I'm sorry. I'm afraid I have naturally cold feet. Admit it, though. You like it when you can get them all warm and toasty. Seriously, babe. How are you always so warm? You're like a portable furnace or a personal space heater. Oh, I do that to you? I get you all hot and bothered? No, this is good. It works out perfectly. I make you hot and bothered so you can keep me warm. That's how it's gonna work from now on. What? No. I'm not using you as my personal heater. You're more than that. You're like the best cuddle buddy ever. You're my amazing partner. A great cook, at least to my standards. And you're my lover. Sweet and sexy and just addicting. And most importantly, you're my best friend. I mean, the sex is great, don't get me wrong. But when everything is all said and done, and we're past that phase of being all about the physicality in the relationship, in the end, there's only you and that person. And you are that person. You're my person. And I couldn't ask for anything better than you being my best friend, too. You're the one I can open up to and be vulnerable to, without the fear of being judged, but accepts me, for all of me. Sweetheart, you're the one I want to tell all about how great my day was, or when I cry about the not-so-great ones. You always have a warm hug ready, especially on those days, and I love you so much for that. From the biggest things to the littlest things, you're the one I want to share it with. And of course, I'll be there for yours, cheering you on your highs and supporting you on your lows. Because that's how it is. That's how it works. That's how we work. Shut up. I know I'm sappy, but you like it. Just let me be. But seriously, I want you to know how thankful I am for you. I know our relationship is far from perfect, and we still have our differences. But there are times in the morning when I wake up just before you do, and I see your face so close to mine. And I can't help but think, gosh, I can't believe this person is with me, that you chose to be with me, and knowing that you care about me just as much as I do to you. It still boggles my mind at times. And I just tell myself, I will never, ever let this person out of my life. Oh, good. That's very reassuring. Good to know you're not going anywhere anytime soon. You better not. I love you too. Yeah, I think I'm just about ready to doze off. You too? Okay. Good morning. I'll see you in a little bit.